Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make a Gobi roll. First, ensure you have all your ingredients ready for a smooth cooking process. Begin by finely chopping 1 medium head of cauliflower into small, bite-sized florets. Next, prepare your aromatic spices, such as 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste and a half teaspoon of turmeric powder. Finally, combine 2 cups of all-purpose flour with water and a pinch of salt to create a soft, elastic dough, letting it rest for 15 minutes. Now let's cook the delicious Gobi filling. Heat 2 tablespoons of cooking oil in a large pan over medium heat. Once hot, add your chopped cauliflower florets and sauté them until they are tender crisp, which usually takes about 8 to 10 minutes. Then, stir in your ginger garlic paste, chili powder, and other spices, cooking for an additional 2 minutes until fragrant. Ensure the cauliflower is well coated and the spices are thoroughly cooked. With your filling ready, it's time to assemble these delightful rolls. Divide your rested dough into 6 to 8 equal portions and roll each into a thin, round paratha, about 6 inches in diameter. Cook each paratha on a hot griddle with a little oil until golden brown spots appear on both sides. Then, spread a generous amount of the cooked Gobi filling down the center of each paratha and roll it up tightly to form your delicious Gobi roll. Your Gobi rolls are now complete and ready to be enjoyed. Serve them immediately while they are warm, perhaps with a side of mint chutney, tamarind sauce, or a simple yogurt dip. For an extra zing, a squeeze of fresh lime juice over the filling can truly elevate the flavors. These rolls are perfect for a quick snack or a light meal. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Oala water bottle and other great deals to enhance your daily routine. Enjoy your homemade Gobi rolls.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.